Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this and I wasn't going to make another one by doing this, but it came out so cool. So, because what are you looking at? Are you looking at a circle divided by the 4 stars? Or are you looking at the stars? And it's just so simple. And one thing we need to think about when we're doing something like this, especially if you're going to duplicate it, uh, by 4 inches. And first of all, I'm going to go and group them together. Well, they're grouped. You have to, well, let's tell you what, let's make a duplicate and not do it on one of them. And move this guy out of the way. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go F12 on the keyboard with it selected. Then I'm going to scale with object and I'm going to say okay. Now when I take this object and I make it 4 inches, it looks like it did, but smaller. This one we didn't do that on. That's really kind of the reason I decided to make the video. Let's make this one 4 inches. We did not scale with object. And look at the difference. The lines are way thicker than you want, I would think. So think about the next time you're reducing things. Now set our nudge factor on 4, and this one you don't have to mirror. You can just make as many copies as you want. And that's why I decided to make the video, because look at the circle that appears, or almost a circle. It's a elongated or egg shape or whatever you want to call it, circle. And then as always, what I do lately is take the whole thing and right click your mouse yellow, which is the pen color, the line color, and then make this black, go up to object and left click, then go over to object in order and back a page. I mean, look at that. That looks like somebody spent hours and hours drawing it, and I guarantee you once you did it a couple of times, you could draw this or draw that first example in just a few minutes. Anyway, give it a try and hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.